Hello there, this is Ryan for Silly Reviews. I'm going to help you out if you have a dual action knife, open in the front knife, automatic knife like this one. This is a CobraTec CTK-1. I don't know much about knives, but this is a nice one and a cool one. And if you flick that switch, it pops open and it also pops closed. But for some time now, it hasn't done either. And it's loose in there, and I can just kind of pull the blade out with my fingers to adjust things here, and I'll show you. There are a bunch of screws on the back. I thought maybe it would be a process like that to have to put this back on the track, but actually there's a way it somewhat fixes itself. So I'll show you how to get back to stabbing with your OTF knife, your automatic knife, something maybe similar to this. What I'm going to do is grab something to protect my hands with. And I don't think I'll be able to stab myself through this folded over dish towel here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to forcefully pull up on the knife, and it's going to pop itself back onto the track. And you can see there it's in there firmly, and bam, it's back in action. So that's how you would fix your automatic knife, hopefully. Now that this knife is working again, maybe I'll clean it up with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. What would you recommend? And if you're curious about a CobraTec knife like this, it's like $100 and it works pretty well when it works. Thanks for watching. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.